He scared you? It's okay, you can still say hi. You want to put your head? Yeah? You won't be scared, right? Debriana. 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 Say bye-bye and come.
Start here?
Yeah.
Okay. You like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex, right?
Okay, we'll talk about him, but first of all, I'm going to show you a fossil. And you're going to have to tell me what part of the dinosaur it is. Put your hands out, two hands. Two hands.
Two hands.
There you go. So, you want to film this. So what part of the dinosaur do you think that is? Maybe the brain or the stomach or something?
Stomach.
Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tell you what it is, okay?
Oops.
I'm going to give you the technical name. You ready?
Yeah.
Dinosaur poop.
Did you hear, Debriana? That's a dinosaur poop.
What?
That's a poop.
Since you said T-Rex, I said
Whoa.
T-Rex. I'm going to hold it because
Done.
it doesn't bounce. You can hold it. You can touch it, but I'm going to hold it because it doesn't bounce.
These are the teeth, right?
The teeth, right?
These are teeth. Wow.
Look how big those teeth are. Those teeth are like bananas. So what do you think that is? No, you have this bone in your body. It's a boomerang. No, it isn't a boomerang.
It looks like
You
it.
have this bone in your hand. Collarbones. He has this in the front of his body. Things. And then... Okay, what part do you think that is? What's right here? What's in here? What's that called in your skull? What's inside your head? Your brains? This is T-Rex's brains. So what I want you to notice is, look how big the head is. Look how small the brain is.
This is a small.
Yeah, look at the head. How big the head is. But
Oh, it's 5-6 feet. Now, most of the brain, this section, almost a third of it is devoted to the sense of smell. Now you want to touch the coolest thing I have?
That's either wall.
So what part of the dinosaur is that?
This is the stomach.
Okay. Actually, I like when she said rock, because you know what? This isn't from Dinosaur.